Hello everyone, today we've broken down the top products on the business so it'll be easier for you to pick the correct option. If you enjoy this video, a subscribe to the channel would be fabulous. Make sure to check out the description for the latest prices and information. Best overall, ION Titanium Platinum Pro. This curling iron is a high-quality styling tool designed to give you beautiful, long-lasting curls. The 1 1/4 inch barrel is perfect for creating loose, natural-looking curls that hold all day. The titanium barrels heat up quickly and evenly, which means you can style your hair in a fraction of its time it would take with other curling irons. One of the standout features of this curling iron is the advanced digital display, which allows you to easily adjust the temperature to suit your hair type. You can choose from temperatures between 170 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, so you can be sure that you are using the right heat setting for your hair. Another great feature is this curling iron is the ergonomic design, making it comfortable to use for extended periods. The cool tip at the end of the barrel is a nice touch that helps protect your fingers from heat while styling. As such, this is a fantastic styling tool perfect for creating beautiful curls. Its advanced digital display, titanium barrel, and ergonomic design make it an excellent investment for anyone who wants to achieve salon-quality results at home. Best value, Conair Double Ceramic. For this brand, you can't beat the price of this classic curling iron. Despite its eye-popping bargain price, this is the best budget curling iron you can find. With its 30 heat settings, she explains that it works for every hair type, whether thick, fine, straight, or coily, despite being such a steal. At such a bargain price, it may not last you for years and years, but it still does the job just fine. The ceramic barrel evenly distributes heat as you curl, making your end result look bouncy and cohesive. While creating various curl types is easy, this one is key if you're looking for looser, undone waves. It has 30 heat settings and comes at an unbeatable price. Best for long hair, IONIC. This long barrel styler is an incredible curling iron for long hair like the actress's blonde locks. This hot tool uses a special technology called Nano-Ionic MX and bio-ionic moisturizing heats to help lock in moistures, even when styling your hair, and seal the cuticles so the curls also last longer. With an extra 2 inch of length, this curling iron is longer than most standard barrel, which helps for long hair and extensions. Plus, it has an angled tip that stays cool so you can comfortably hold it when styling your hair. The infrared heat should help reduce any extra heat damage as it doesn't affect your hair the same way that dry heat does. And for added measure, this hot tool turns itself off after an hour of use in case you leave home and forget to turn it off. Best Interchangeable, T3. Started in 2003, it was a mix of tech startup and a beauty venture, hoping to create a new kind of hair tool. What kind of tool? One that was fast-working, technology-forward, and designed with high performance and better results. It can curl hair faster, meaning it curls with less time and heat on your hair, which means less damage. Heat causes the most damage to your hair, so you want something that curls fast to prevent excess damage. There are so many unique features, from customizable temperature settings based on your hair type to an internal chip that monitors heat fluctuations. This always does its best to ensure their tools don't damage your hair. This product is one that will give you the curls that you want without damaging your hair. While there are many other options, this one will be easier to use since you won't have to curl the same spot repeatedly. And most importantly, you won't be left with dry, damaged hair. If you have the money to spend on a T3 curling iron or wand, go for it. Best for beginners, Hot Tools Pro Signature. If the 24K Gold looks familiar, it's likely because you've seen Hot Tools curling iron at a salon. Professional stylists reach for it at the same reason you will, to create gorgeous curls that hold. It has various heating settings, ranging from 280 to 430 degrees, so you can easily set it for the right temperature for your hair texture. The gold-plated barrel heats up fast and distributes heat evenly. Although ceramic barrels are increasingly popular, they aren't recommended for thick hair. You can use the clamp if you prefer a traditional curling iron, or you can use the barrel-like wand and wrap hair around it to create curls. The heat-resistant tip makes it easy to avoid burning your fingers. It also has a fold-out safety stand, so it won't burn your countertop between curls. It has a 6-foot cord that swivels, so it's easy to do your hair without being tethered to the outlet. It also comes in various barrel sizes to create looser or tighter curls. It's a product for people looking for a versatile and budget-friendly curling iron that works especially well on thicker hair. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to be notified of our new videos.